There's no ways anyone knows about this place unless you're working here. I'm in the middle of Centurion and we're entering, or I'm entering, a place called the Lucky Bread Company. Alright, so, what do they make here? Apparently, everything to do with bread. What do you make here? Hey, Prince?
How are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you, man.
I'm good.
Where's your little peace sign, Jay? Okay, Prince, firstly, let me just say, what am I going to drink?
You're gonna drink ice latte.
Ice latte?
This is gonna be ice, milk, and espresso on top.
Perfect, but I don't want too much ice if it's possible. So, okay, perfect. All right, and then one other cappuccino, and then what do you recommend when to eat here?
Today I have a braai broodjie and then what else?
A braai broodjie, that sounds good. Braai broodjie, okay. And
And cheese and tomato on white sourdough.
sourdough. But what is the most famous thing here?
But mostly they buy here.
Okay, Prince also likes to talk. Let's get him making our ciabatta and making our drinks. Thanks, Prince. I'll taste it and judge it. Cool, let me show you what the place looks like.
So I'm making you the braai broodjie.
A braai broodjie. What do you know about braai broodjie? Are you Afrikaans?
No, I'm not Afrikaans, but the older is.
Okay, cool. What's in it?
Braai broodjie is triple butter loaf, triple slice of butter loaf with cheese, with tomato, cheese fondue, and red onion, and thyme, dried thyme herbs.
Sounds delicious. Looking forward to it. Martha, bring us our food. There we go. Martha's got it. That's Erwin. Cheese and tomato. And mine is the?
The braai broodjie.
Which one would you prefer out of these two?
The braai broodjie.
Okay, burkie, eh? Awesome. How's that, guys? Lekker. Jeeves creepers. How awesome is that, eh? Okay. You know what you're doing? And is that my iced one?
Yes. Double shot espresso, milk, and ice.
Where have you ever seen a braai broodjie like this? Yo, I'm gonna taste it and tell you what I feel about it. I think it's gonna be okay. Looks good. So how was that meal? Right, Prince, how was yours? Yours was lekker. I just had to add a little bit of honey to it to sweeten it up, but that's my fault because I'm not a bloody good connoisseur of coffee. Yeah? And then Martha, yours?
Yes, sir.
Number bloody one. That was lekker, but why did you charge me 6 rand extra for tomato? Why did I get yours? Huh? What was that for? Okay, everything else was lekker. Enjoyed it. Thank you guys. That was nice. Just saw another $6. How much was the total? In total, $200. I didn't realize they got 3 different coffee manufacturing plants around here, and I'm high on coffee already. Yes, Tribeca, Jacobs, and I don't know what the other one is. But how was this place? It was awesome. Apparently they've got about 13 or so branches, and they're also caterers. It was delicious. Erwin, how was yours?
Delicious.
Was it good?
Super. Yeah.
Wasn't yours a bit burnt?
I can't tell that to the whole world.
No. It's ciabatta. The bottom of the crust is always like that. All right, goodbye.